Dude, now I'm going to tell about parallel lines. If two lines they're never going to meet each other even after traveling miles and miles of distance, they are known as parallel lines. They won't meet each other like a railway track. You can find out about parallel lines. But there is one situation where they're going to meet each other, that is in non-Euclidean geometry. In non-Euclidean geometry, if you take a sphere and if you take parallel lines as two longitudes, they will be parallel at the equator, but they, even though they are parallel, they're going to meet each other when they reach the pole. That is in non-Euclidean geometry. But I'm going to tell new things about parallelogram. Here, if you take two parallel lines, these parallel lines, one pair of parallel lines, when they meet another pair of parallel lines, that going to form a shape in between, this is known as parallelogram. In the same way, there are only one pair of parallel lines. This shape is known as trapezium. This is trapezium and this is parallelogram. Parallelogram. Now I'm going to tell how to find out area of both of them. Here, if you take a parallelogram, they give like this, that is the base length as 1 unit and even the perpendicular height as 1 unit. You need to find out what's the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram here is base times of perpendicular height, that give rise to, this is the base which is 1 unit times of, this is the perpendicular height, that is also 1 units. 1 times of 1 is 1. 1 square units is the area of this parallelogram. Let's take a trapezium. And in this trapezium, they have given that one, that is this above side as 2 units, below parallel side as 3 units, and this one, these two sides are parallel lines, and the perpendicular height is just 1 unit. You can find out area of trapezium can be written as half times of sum of parallel sides. This is 2 units, this is 3 units. Therefore, it is half times of 2 plus 3 times of this perpendicular height, which is 1 unit. 2 plus 3 becomes 5. So this becomes half times of 5 times of 1. This one is nothing but 1 times of 5 is 5. 5 times of 1 again 5. 5 by 2 square units is the area of this trapezium. Now I'm going to tell what happens when two parallel lines going to intersect by a line known as transversalis. Here this is A, this is B. A is parallel to B. But here what is known as transversalis? It going to form 8 different angles. They are angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to tell what they're going to do. Here the inner angles. This one 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4 angles are in between the parallel lines. They are known as interior angles. They are interior angles, and these angles which are outside of parallel lines, they are known as exterior angles. These two, 1, 2, 7, 8, they are outside of this parallel line and this parallel line. Therefore 1, 2, 7 and 8 are known as exterior angles. Exterior angles. Now you can find out there are many different types, among them vertically opposite angle, corresponding angles, and alternating interior, alternating exterior angle, and this one, that is angles on the same side of transversalis, interior angles on same side of transversalis, and exterior angles on same side of transversalis. I'm going to tell each one of them in detail in next video. Now bye.